guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we'll see how we can interface GPS and GSM module with Arduino. We'll be sending the GPS coordinates over GSM. For that, we are using one GPS module, GSM module, and one LCD over here, 20 by 4, and one phone library over here. We, we are also going to use two virtual terminals. You can see over here. One virtual terminal will display the enemy strings, which is coming from the GPS module, and the other virtual terminal will display the AT commands. Okay, now uh, Now, after making the connection, we have to upload the code in the Arduino. But before that, you can check these two videos, how to interface GPS and how to interface GSM module with Arduino individually. You can go and check it out. The link will be in the description. Now, after making the connection, open the Arduino IDE and just compile the code. Okay. Now, don't forget to write 20 over here. This is the resistor for the I2C module for the LCD. Now it says done compiling. You can find the hex file to this location, to this folder. Just press window plus R button and search %temp% over there and hit the enter button. After hitting the enter button, you can find the folder over here. Just open it and copy the hex file. Go to Proteus, open the Arduino and just paste the hex file over there. Now you also have to put the hex file for the GSM module. You can double click on the GSM module and put the hex file over here. Now hit the OK button. Now as soon as I hit the start simulation button, you can see we are getting three windows. So first we'll close this and you can see we are getting the enemy strings and the phone is starting. Now give 20 to 30 seconds, we'll be getting the complete enemy strings. Now you can see we got the latitude and the longitude. As soon as we got the location, the GSM is sending the AT command to send the message on the phone. Okay, now we can close this virtual terminal. Now you can see we are getting the AT command to send text message, and now you can see it is sending the latitude and the longitude to this phone. Now you can see the result on the phone library over here. You can also change the location of the GPS module. Okay, now as you can see we got one message on the phone and it says the latitude and the longitude. Okay, now you can also change the location. For that, go to debug section and just open this virtual GPS. Now you can see right now the location is for Delhi, India. Now you can change the location to Texas. Okay, now after writing the Texas, just hit the enter button. Okay, now you can see over here we are in Texas right now. Okay, you can also zoom out and zoom in to this location. You can see I will zoom out completely. Right now you can see we are in United States. Okay, so just now zoom in. Now you can see the location is changed now. It's 31.968597 and minus 99.90. And as soon as we got the location on the LCD, it will send the GSM will send the AT command and you can see the latitude and the longitude. And right now we got one message on the phone and it says 31.96 and minus 99.90. So let me know if you have any concerns related to this project or any other project. Comment down and we'll meet in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting this kind of simulation as early as possible. For now, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.